Can I have a waffle, Chloe?
Yeah. I don't want, but nobody wants the food, Kevin.
Your dog baby wants food too?
Yeah. I don't want food.
Then you have to cook the food.
Stay here, baby dog. Kevin,
Mm-hmm.
give me that thing. Oh no, I dropped. Can make some fruit.
Okay.
Can I get my dog baby? Okay, dog baby. Kevin,
Mm-hmm.
let's drop it all out.
Okay.
I'm doing this. That's for me.
Is that your baby shark?
Okay, that's it. Yeah. Kevin,
Mm-hmm.
no second, but yeah. But clean this mess up.
Are you gonna give your dog baby a cupcake?
Yeah.
There's a cupcake right here.
Did you cupcake? Oh, baby, you did that. Yeah. You eat it.
Are you done feeding him?
No, but get some juice in it.
Okay.
It's so squishy me. Kevin,
Mm-hmm.
it's not squishy me. It's squishy me.
It's your Legos.
Huh?
It's your Legos.
This is the Lego squishy me.
Your Legos are squishing you?
Yeah. Kevin,
Mm-hmm.
one day.
Are you the superhero?
Yeah. Kevin,
Mm-hmm.
let me. Kevin,
Yes.
let me. Kevin,
Mm-hmm.
let me. Kevin,
Yes.
one. And one. Kevin,
Yes.
one favorite my doggy stuff is.
Yeah. You can play with your dog babies.
Kevin,
Mm-hmm.
you sick?
What dog baby is this?
Huh?
What dog baby is this?
That's my dog baby, and this dog baby too.
Is that your Barbie?
Yeah, that's my Bobby. Kevin, why? How you sick? Kevin,
Mm-hmm.
we see you guys code.
You're gonna see if I have a code?
Huh?
You're gonna see if I have a code?
Yeah. Kevin,
Mm-hmm.
get over here,
Okay.
and if I open it, right? Oh no, they can't. Now, enough. Trying get this hand.
Mm-hmm.
Where you put my stuff in? Hand. You got a fever.
I have a fever?
Yeah.
Does it say that?
Yeah. Where you get my fever?
a dog treat.
Oh, that's my dog. My dog treat.
You have so many toys.
Huh?
I say you have so many toys.
Yeah, I got all the other toys. And you want this spoon?
That's for dogs.
Waffles here?
Oh, you have a waffle?
Yeah. No, like, what? No, baby, you can't eat it yet. My baby.
Is he too little?
Huh?
Is he too little to eat it?
Yes, huh? I better flip it over. I'm not flipping. Kevin,
Yes.
I got this refrigerator for my mom. My mom bought that. My mom bought that, Kevin. My mom bought that.
Yeah.
Can't stop. I got it.
Can you help?
Here was how to pick it. There. Kevin,
Mm-hmm.
that's how to pick it. Here, let me get my paper. Here's my paper. Let's go. Here it is. Kevin,
Mm-hmm.
Kevin, sit right here.
Huh?
Kevin, go right here.
I can't.
I go, Kevin, sit right there. Right here, sit right there.
Are we having a picnic?
Yeah. That's one. But here, this is my. I got a refrigerator right here.
It's called a microwave.
I got a microwave right here. Can you go this one to me?
It's done.
Time to enjoy our treat. Hey, your food not ready yet. I better get the juice. Here. Hey, we get the juice. Put this in. Cooking together is so much fun.
Is it tea?
Mm-hmm. Hey, your tea's not ready yet. It's hot.
It's hot.
It's
Okay.
not.
It has to cool down.
And this is your pizza. Hey, this is your pizza.
That's the phone.
That's my pizza phone. Kevin,
Yes.
that's my pizza phone.
You can't put a phone in a microwave.
Yes, I do. It's actually fit.
It fits.
It can. Wait. It's ready.
It's hot.
Huh?
It's hot.
It's hot, Kevin. It's hot. Your pee? My phone is...
Can we eat now?
No, it's hot.
Okay.
I put my dog in there. Yeah, my dog is spinning. Time to eat. Oh, the snacks are ready. Ken,
Yes.
your snacks is not ready yet. It's hot.
It's hot? Okay.
And this one is in my microwave. What a wonderful smell! Can your food's not ready yet? Got the other hot.
It's a little hot.
Yeah,
That looks yummy.
that's not yummy yet. It's got a little bit as there. Can you? This is my salad. This is my pizza in there.
Okay.
Anyway, to is not hot.
And then can we eat?
No, that's hot. It's hot. You let me put this sure? Kevin, I showed my elbow. I showed my leg.
Okay.
I don't need this. If I put it in the oven, my oven
Microwave?
Yeah. Tim, go right there. Have a seat. Okay, your food's not ready yet.
Oh man.
Okay, your food's not ready yet. Okay, your food's not ready yet. Here's
That's a lot of food.
Yeah, that's a lot of food for you. Okay, your food's not ready yet. It got the other hat.
When is it going to be ready?
2 minutes.
2 minutes?
I can.
Mm-hmm.
You have your food hot. Your pizza hut, and your pizza hut, and your pizza hut. Here we put it in the microwave. Okay, that's my microwave.
Microwave?
Yeah. Okay, your food's not ready yet. It's got the other hot. Okay, there's coffee in there. And there's Legos. And he needs one.
Is that it? Is it ready yet?
No. There's 18.
When is it going to be ready?
Okay, wait. Look at my refrigerator on it. Time to enjoy our treats. Okay, your treat's coming.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, let's Karen.
Mm-hmm.
Rainbow. Okay, let's eat.
Okay.
With my baby up here.
That's your baby?
Yeah. Karen, my baby's not working. Let's see the berries.
Let's fix it.
No. My berries.
We need more batteries.
Yeah. Yeah, my berries.
Yeah.
Okay,
Let's go get batteries.
yeah, let's go
No.
get.
We fixed it. We fixed it.
Haha, wait a minute. It's not working.
Uh-oh.
Where is it? It's not working yet. It's not working yet.
Let's see. Oh, there we go.
Kitten, let's get another one, maybe one. Let's get in my desk. Okay, it's working.
Mm-hmm.
Baba, I have one my baby. Yeah. Let's go. Can you with me too? Can.
Mm-hmm.
Playing together is so much fun. Come and get me.
Okay, press me, press me. Maybe press me.
You did it, you did it.
Me,
Would you like to play with me?
Okay.
Hooray! Let's go.
Okay, please press my me.
Oh, this is fun.
Uh-oh.
What happened? Yeah, but I did not. Hey, please push me, Mimi.
I don't have to push you.